Hello everybody! My name is Christoph. Welcome back to LE DIY and How to Serious video. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the best LED strip lights for your project.
LED strip lights are a must for home decorative lighting and mood lighting. However, you may find over 50 kinds of LED strip lights in your search for the best. That's too many to choose from.
So how can you know which would make the best choice? First, choose the right color for your project. There are three common choices: daylight white, warm white and RGB.
If your project is in a place that requires attention and focus, daylight white is the better choice. For example, in the kitchen. If your project is in a place to relax, warm white would be the right color to go with. For example, in the living room or bedroom. If your project is in a place that requires mood lighting or party lighting, you should go with RGB. For example, a bar.
How about brightness? LED strip lights are mostly used decoratively, so the brightness requirements are not that high. Thus, for most people, it is not really that important.
However, if you do need high brightness, please choose 5050 LED, not 3528 or 2835 LED. If you have chosen either of the white colors, you need to make a choice as to whether you require a dimmer. The price of an LED strip with a dimmer is usually 10% higher. Moving on, do you need a waterproof feature? If your project is for outdoor use or in the bathroom, you will need this. The price is usually 20% higher. Please note, power adapters are usually not waterproof. If you want to save time and effort by turning your lights on, off, changing color or changing brightness via voice control, then an LED strip with smart features is a good choice. Usually, this works with your Alexa or Google Assistant. Alexa, turn on the TV light.
Okay.
Do you love parties or music? If yes, you'd better choose an LED strip with a music sync feature. This is a big hit for music lovers. USB or power adapter. This detail is important depending on where the lights will be installed. If you want to use the LED strip as a TV backlight, for instance, choose one with a USB plug, not a power adapter. Safety certification. Finally, make sure the power adapter has UL or ETL certification for safety.
Now you can choose an LED strip light like an expert. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.